Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple, step-by-step process on how to turn off the camera permission for Snapchat on your mobile device. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy, limit camera use, or just want to manage the app's access, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you control all of your app permissions and features. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list until you spot Snapchat and tap on it. This will open up all the available settings and options for Snapchat, including storage, notifications, and most importantly, permissions. Next, go ahead and tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see all the different features of your device that Snapchat currently has access to, like your location, microphone, and camera. From this list, tap on Camera. You'll usually have a couple of different choices here. To stop Snapchat from being able to use your camera, simply choose Don't Allow. Once you do this, Snapchat will no longer have permission to open or use your camera. That's it. You've successfully turned off the camera for Snapchat. The next time you open the app, you'll notice that the camera feature doesn't work anymore. If you ever change your mind and want to give Snapchat access again, just follow the same steps, tap on Camera, and switch it back to Allow. This is a quick and easy way to take control over your app permissions. Managing settings like this not only gives you more privacy, but can also help you stay mindful of what apps can and cannot do on your phone. Thanks for watching.